Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be I don't know really what I'm doing and you guys might be wondering where is my fiance. I'm also wondering that too because he said he has a surprise for me. So we'll wait and see the surprise. I'm super excited for the surprise. Anyway, so I think we just wait for him and he's going to come. Wait, I think I see him over there. Oh, hi, Jake. Oh, hi. So the surprise is. Tell me. I'm getting impatient. A new car. I'm so excited, but where is the car? It's here. OMG, this is the best surprise ever! I love it! So, where are we going next? To the ice cream store. I know you love ice cream, so I'll take you there. Thanks so much! I'm so happy. Thanks so much, Jake. Don't mention it. Okay, but guys, bye. See you in my next video.